out, y'all. Check it out. Broken bombs are like empty ponds. You can fill them back up, but the fish are gone. Stupid motherfucker, why'd you betray me? I'm the J-E-double-O-Y from the big O-N-T. Can't stand when you break the bond. Betrayal is a sickness, come fake, you're gone. Can't stand when they break the bond. Betrayal is a sickness, come fake, you're gone. They try to break us down. Negative vibe, yeah, fuck that sound up. They can't break us down. Negative vibe, yeah, fuck that sound up. They wanna break us down. Negative vibe, yeah, fuck that sound up. They won't break us down. Who's the motherfuckers we were?
Guys, welcome to the Lawson channel. Today we're just gonna take a tour of my garage, show you the projects I got going on, and I'll start uploading new content every day when I get something started on each one. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, welcome to my mess in my garage. Got my TV, show me how to load up YouTube, upload. Got the ghetto blaster. Let's start with the projects. First one is my 06 Street Glide. Gonna put some ape hangers on. Put some extended bags. Painting the bags myself. Eventually put a 21, 23 inch rim on the front. Got some, actually not sure what kind of bars these are from. These are 14 inch ape hangers. My neighbor's coming up right now, as usual, just to say hi. What's up, buddy? What's that? You want to check the oil? All right, it might be a quart low. There goes my neighbor. My handiwork. Car stalled. Driveway's cursed. All right, back to the garage. Got the beer fridge. Plenty of beer, somewhat. He's also here from the Harley. Got my gym. 1 ton, all-purpose engine hoist. Helped me lift up a cab over here on the 41 F100. Sitting on a 98 Ford Explorer frame. Haven't done nothing to it. Didn't come with a transmission. Took care of that. Updating that transmission. Said on YouTube, and not YouTube, but forums, that a 98 F-150 V6 should bolt up right to a 98 Ford Explorer engine. Maybe. But lo and behold, I got a 97. So let's see how that works out. This is the side of my house slash fabrication area. Scrap metal 37-inch tires for the Avalanche. Quad plastics. 83 ATC 185. Took the engine out of that. Some spare tires. Old motor from the quad. New quad mock-up with the 83 185 ATC engine. Looked like it was complete, and was not. Needed to get a whole new pull start assembly. So something that was cheap, about $160 for the frame. I think I paid about $80 for this for the motor. Probably could have got a decent running one complete for about $150 on OfferUp. And so far I'm about 300 into this. So yeah. Here is the manual transmission. So instead of going with automatic, decided to go manual, possibly rat rod style, not sure yet. Okay, finishing up the tour. Currently working on bags for the Harley. Got it mocked up here, prepped here, paint here. Harley does not give away their paints. So took the top of this lid here, which is dusty, and tried to match it at AutoZone. Ended up getting 2 different color paints. Both got some glitter in them. I only thought one did, but you probably can't see in the camera, but you look up close, got glitter in it. Here it is next to the lid. Clearly both don't match. One's too light, one seems too dark. Almost seems like a green color. I've always had that argument with people at work. Is it green? Is it dark charcoal, smoke, black with a bunch of glitter? Not sure. So trying to mix these two to make my own color. Another video on that later. Got the 2012 Challenger, non-op, runs. Only car or vehicle I have is in great condition because I didn't mess with it. And then off to the distance there, got the Avalanche. Just did all the front end suspension. I'll have another video on that. That was fun. And that's it. That's the garage. Future projects, I'll be showing you guys. Hopefully stuff will get completed. Hopefully stuff will be decent shape. Hopefully stuff doesn't break down. But that's how it is when you do a DIY show, right? Okay, guys. Late.
Check.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it out, baby.